It's time for your daily glow experience. Your skin is speaking to you, but are you truly listening? Every fine line, every glow, every moment of dullness holds a deeper meaning. Today, we're unlocking what your skin is revealing and how you can align your beauty and wellness rituals with your highest self. Welcome to the Celestial Glow Up, where we offer luxury glow up intuitive experiences designed to align you with your highest self, wealth, and radiance. This is where your intuition meets beauty, and every experience is crafted to help you step deeper into your glow, your confidence, and your divine self care. Okay? This reading is a sacred ritual for self awareness and intuitive wellness. Okay? While these messages provide insight and guidance, always remember true glow begins from within. For every personalized skincare concerns, you want to trust your intuition and seek the wisdom of a licensed professional. Your beauty is an investment, your glow is timeless, and your skin deserves only the best. Let's begin. Let's see what today's message comes from. One card, please, Spirit. You know what? 1 minute. Let's get a... All right. One card, please, Spirit. One card, please, Spirit. We'll take this card. And your card comes from the Barrier Guardian. Now let's decode what your skin is whispering to you, right? Your skin is trying to tell you your barrier is in need of something, okay? It's in need of something, right? Your barrier could very well be in need of nourishment and some hydration, right? It could also be in need of maybe you've been exfoliating and it's in need of repair, right? This is where you will go ahead and put on your thinking cap and your intuition cap and really try to listen to your skin and figure out what might be causing this, right? Your skin is a mirror of your energy, right? Are you nurturing it or are you neglecting it, right? This is something you need to pay attention to. All right, now something that could be causing barrier things could be like, let's say, every external imbalance starts within, right? Have you been prioritizing, I should say, hydration, which is the water here? Have you been drinking enough water internally, right? And externally, have you been using your hyaluronic acid, right? Hyaluronic acid is going to help, and you want to seal it in with a moisturizer. This also looked like you could also be in need of ice rolling your face. That's going to help as well, right? You might want to ice roll your face. Have you been getting enough adequate amount of sleep, right? That also helped too. Or your whole emotional balance. That could also mess up also your barrier, right? Depends on what you're going internally, okay? And externally. They all go hand in hand. This card is guiding you towards something deeper than definitely your skincare because you want to pay attention, but also internally, right? Your intern, right here, your intuition. You want to pay attention to that. So you could be in need of some hydration, as I say, internally and externally. You could definitely be in need of if you have over exfoliated, you might be in need of some like niacinamides, peptides, all these kind of different things. You just really need to pay attention to your skin. Now, what you should do for today for your skin is definitely one thing you can do while you're still trying to learn what's going on with your skin is you want to add in, like I said, that hydration and that nourishment. Okay, you can't go wrong with drinking enough water and adding hydration to the skin along with sealing it in and of course put on that SPF, right? You want to honor your glow today by giving your skin what it truly needs, okay? Now we already went through whether that could be hydration, a hydration reset, SPF protection, maybe you might be needing some ice rolling your face like a facial massage, or just a moment of stillness, right? Right? Trust your intuition. Your skin is not just skin. It isn't, right? It's an energy field, a reflection of your self-care and a story of how you treat yourself. True glow is a vibration, not just a skin routine, right? They go hand in hand. When you listen to what your skin needs, you align with your highest self, your beauty, and your radiance. Okay? If today's message resonated, please drop a star in the comments and let me know how you'll be honoring your glow today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share also, right? And return tomorrow for your next skin and energy reading. Until then, keep glowing inside and out. All right, high vibers.